Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. J.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. Madison.
And we are here to show you another science experiment. And today we are going to talk about the scientific method. And we are going to find out which diaper has the best absorbency. So we are using 3 different diapers.
This one is from Aldi's. It's really light, but it's written on there to help us keep them separated from the labels. So this one is Aldi's.
And this one is Target brand.
It's from Target, their own brand.
And then this one.
This is our name brand that we're using.
And this is
it's Pampers.
Pampers.
So who's going to get wet if you put these on?
So we're going to show you our materials for today. And
safety first.
Safety first. We're going to put
on
our
your goggles
on.
Got to put on your safety goggles.
We don't want to get anything splashed in our eyes.
You want it in your eye.
So first we're going to talk about the graduated cylinder. This is a graduated cylinder and it measures in milliliters. So we will show you how to measure our water in milliliters. And we are going to use green water today with the green food coloring already mixed.
So these are materials you have at home, not these, but you have hopefully a picture or a bowl, and you have food coloring. You can change the color if you want to try this at home. Really simple to do.
This is a great assignment to try at home.
Mm-hmm.
So when we talk about the scientific method, we first want to, step 1, ask a question. So I asked a question one morning while I was changing my son's diaper. I wonder which diaper is the best. So I thought, why not do this for a science experiment with my class and find out really which diaper works the best? Because we don't want any leaks at night. We want to buy the best diaper so that there's no leaks. So we're going to find out that today.
Exactly, because the worst thing is a baby waking up 2, 3 in the morning screaming and crying because he's wet, he wants to be dry, and you're asleep and you got to get up early anyway. So we're trying to help moms out there, dads out there with babies, little toddlers that are in diapers. Which one is the best? Is it the most expensive? Is it the least expensive? Where is the most bang for your buck?
And so that was step 1, ask a question. And we did that. Step 2 is research. So we did some research on our diapers, found out which one was more expensive, which one was the name brand, and that's the next step, do research. So we do know the Pampers right here is the name brand.
Yes.
So we're going to see if the name brand stands up.
If the name brand stands up to being the name brand. And you guys know, we all like name brand stuff. It's supposed to be better, it's supposed to taste better, but does it work better in this situation?
And now we come to our third step, which is hypothesis. So a hypothesis is a guess or a prediction. So after you have done your research, you are going to make that hypothesis. And what do you think is going to work the best?
My guess was the Target brand is going to be the best. And then I rated them like 1, 2, 3 since we're using 3 diapers. I said Target's going to be the best. Pampers might be somewhere in the middle, followed by Aldi's, was my guess. And the more I'm thinking about it, I might want to switch and put the name brand at the bottom. But I'm going to leave it like Target, Aldi's, Pampers.
I think I'm going to go with the Pampers.
As the best?
As the best. So get your hypothesis and write it down somewhere or put it in your head. And now we're going to find out which one is the best. So we're going to design our experiment. So the way we are going to do our experiment is we are going to fill our graduated cylinders up the exact same milliliters. So for every diaper, we're going to pour 100 milliliters, and then we're going to do a test. So I want to show you how to find 100 milliliters. Okay, Mr. Madison, can you check if that's 100?
That is It is a little more in this one to make it 100. At the 100 mark is where we're going. And if you see my finger is slightly above it, I'm going to put it on a flat surface so you see, and you want to use a flat surface so that it's level so you know you get the accurate 100. That's at 100. And this needs a little more in it to bring it up. And that's at 100. Yep. That's it. So they all are, I'm checking them, and they're all at 100. So they all have the same amount in them. So we're going to open up the diapers, and we're going to pour the liquid onto the diaper, right into the middle. We're not doing nothing fancy, nothing strange. So the first one to get the 100 meal test will be the Pampers brand. Let's see if it holds up. And right away, it's soaked. And to show you that it's soaked, I'm going to take one for the team, and I'm going to hold it over my head. I should have thought about this more before I said that. But no leaks. I'm still dry.
Yeah, it's just because it was in the wrong spot. So no leaks.
No leaks. No leaks. I'm still dry. And that's at 100 meal. No leaks. And it's completely empty, and it's all in the diaper.
Okay, so let's try the Target brand next. And
I probably won't hold this one over my head.
We'll make sure we get it in the center.
Here we go. In the center. Leak, 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 leak. There it goes.
Well, it absorbed. So we'll wait the same amount of time.
Because it looked like it absorbed, and I'm rooting for Target. That was my pick. I'm going to hold this one over my head.
I think you could. I think you could hold that one over your head.
Let's see what happens. Here we go. Is Mr. Madison going to get wet?
Nope.
No leaks.
No leaks.
Completely dry. Oh, boy.
Okay. So Target has no leaks yet.
No leaks in Target. No leaks in Pampers.
And now
Let's
we're
try
going to
the
go with
Aldi's.
Aldi's. So I'll hold that open.
Right in the center.
I'm thinking that this is not going to leak. Since the other two didn't.
At 100. Let's see.
We'll wait the same amount of time. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Listen, I'm hoping I don't get wet from this one. I don't have faith in this one. Here we go. Over Mr. Madison's head.
No leaks.
I'm still dry. Whew.
Okay.
I was nervous.
Okay, so round two. We have to put more water. So we're going to fill our graduated cylinders up again. 100?
Mm-hmm. So they passed the 100 meal test.
So now we're going to do 200. And we'll see if they pass. Now is it my turn to put them over my head?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
But I won't let her get wet. If it looks like it didn't absorb, we definitely not gonna hold it.
It's okay. Okay, I'll take one for the team.
This is the
Pampers.
Name brand, Pampers brand.
So we're going to put 100 more.
Completely dry, and it's soaked all through. It's holding up. Let's see if it hold another 100.
Oops, sorry. Okay, 8 seconds.
8 seconds has
by.
passed.
We
Let's
ready?
see. Here we go. If it leaks out, she's still dry.
Is it?
She's still dry.
That
I
was a
didn't have
close one.
no faith in that one.
I didn't either. Okay. Next Target brand.
Target, as we say. Let's see what Target does.
100 more milliliters for Target.
Now, this is the one I'm counting on, so I'm not worried.
It looks like it's absorbing pretty well.
And pretty fast.
Okay. 8 seconds. This one, I am confident. Confident.
Super
Okay.
dry.
Awesome. I like Target brand so far. All right, last.
Aldi's brand.
Aldi's with the next 100 milliliters. Okay. I have a feeling we're going to do this again.
I do too, but I don't have no confidence in that one lasting. If it makes it this round, it's going to tap out soon.
Okay, ready?
Here we go. It's Mrs. J. Mrs. J still dry, guys.
Okay, good. You're next again. Okay.
Somebody's going to get wet this round.
They passed the 200 milliliter mark.
Yes, they have.
So let's try another 100. There's one.
There's 100 there. Yep. At 100. There you guys. I'm going to just tell you right now, Mr. Madison's getting nervous. Because one of these diapers, I am not confident. 2 of them, definitely 1. Not confident at all that it's going to keep my head dry. I may be green by the end of this video. So, we're going to go with the name brand, Pampers brand, for 100 ml.
This might be the last 100. Uh-oh. Well, he might be getting wet today.
I have 0 confidence in this.
I don't have any confidence in this one. It doesn't look like it's really absorbing all the water.
Let's see.
Oh, it dried.
It
worked.
Not confident at all. And I'm going to tell you, if you look at it and look in it, you'll see where our fears are at, because this is completely soaked. And the fact that it's still pulling in water is amazing. Okay, Pampers.
Okay.
You may have a new believer.
I don't know if that can go again.
This is my champ.
All right, let's try.
It looks like a champ. So, this one is the
Target
brand. And it's still going and doing what it's supposed to do. And it looks like a champ, feels like a champ. So, Target, don't let me down. Ooh, Target, don't let me down, Target. As much money as I spend in Target, don't let me down, Target.
And it's... So you could see it working, it absorbing. This one looks okay. I think
looks
you should
like
be confident.
I'm going to be dry here too.
Yeah,
I'm going to do this one with
that out of the way
100%
so you can see.
confidence and still dry.
Oh, yeah.
100% confidence, still dry, like Target.
All right. And now the Aldi's,
This
last
is
one.
Aldi's. You know, they give you stuff that's like name brand, but it's not. That's kind of Aldi's. I don't think this one's going to take all of this. But
I don't know. Diapers these days.
hold a lot, but
So you can see this one working. It's absorbing.
it's trying to.
I think you'll be okay with that.
Here we go.
Yep, you're good.
Ooh.
Almost. I'm not sure if that has
It doesn't
another
have
round.
another round in it.
So let's find out. Maybe we should try 50 milliliters.
Let's try 50. Let's go a little less because I
Little
think
less.
I think it's at its point. So each one has 200 ml in it, liquid. We didn't ring them. We didn't change them. It's the same diaper. And we're going less because somebody's about to get wet.
It's my turn.
Oh. She's about to get it. Yep.
Okay.
Here we go. You want to go backwards and start this way and work to the...
Sure, let's do it.
So we're going to go with Aldi's. The Aldi's brand is going to go first.
Okay.
And we're going to give it a try.
8 seconds.
Somebody's
All right,
about
go
to get
ahead.
wet. Here we go, guys. Watch this.
No, nothing?
Nothing came out.
Whew.
Okay, Aldi's hanging
All
in
right.
there with the big guys.
All right, now Target.
Target is going to hold on. Let's see. Target, don't let me down. Don't let me down, Target.
Uh-oh.
Target may let me down, guys. Here we go.
All right, try it. It doesn't look like it's absorbed all the way. I feel it.
Yeah!
Oh, it didn't come out?
Let's go, Target. Target is doing so good. Target is hanging with the big company.
All right, last, Pampers.
I have zero confidence in the big company. If these big guys are hanging in there with him, we'll see what happens.
All right, wait, 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am so sorry.
Yeah, I know it's not good.
There's a couple drops that fell out.
All right,
And
a couple
some more.
drops. So,
It's
Pampers.
done. It's dropping a couple. She got a couple drops of green on her head. Not bad, but if you look, there is no room for nothing else to go in there. It's just completely, and I'm almost scared to squeeze it. But if you squeeze it,
Oh, it comes out.
all the liquid comes right back. Look at that. All the liquid comes right back out of there. So, you know what? Can I see one of those cylinders?
Yes.
Watch this, guys. Let's see if I can do this here. Watch this.
Let me get out of the way for you.
Watch this. This is the Pampers brand. And it's just coming out. Not so much in the cylinder, but it's coming back out. And if I was a baby, I'm wiping my hands like it's absorbing it. If I was a baby and I had this on, I would be screaming because even though it looks like it absorbed, it's all back out. And if you're as a baby, this is completely, you can feel it. It's completely soaked.
Yeah.
You don't want to wear that. As a baby, you wouldn't want this one on. So, this has 250 mil, and not only is the inside soaked, the outside of the diaper is completely soaked. And we got liquid back out. This is the Pampers brand. Now, this was the Target. This was my champ. And I'm going to tell you, right now, Target, my champion Target here, it's dry. The outside is dry. Inside's a little wet, but we'll see. And you'll see none's coming out, and I'm squeezing it. And none's coming out. I'm trying. Nothing's coming out. We're going to add some more. We're going to go another round.
As 50 milliliters more
as she's
for
pouring
each.
that, I'm going to give this one the soap-proof test.
Except Pampers is out.
Pampers, we're done. We're done with Pampers. The next person, Pampers lost when she got triple sprinkled on her head. Now it's between Aldi's and Pampers. Target. Target brand, Aldi's brand. Target, Aldi's. So, isn't if I'm holding Aldi's, it looks like it wants to hold up. We'll see.
It's your turn, so it can go at any time now.
Oh, yeah, it's about to go. This is not good.
So another 50 milliliters.
This
and
is
let's count to
not
8.
good.
No drops.
No drops.
Is that Aldi's? No drops.
No drops from the Aldi's brand. And I'm going to tell you now, it's starting to get wet here. is not as wet as this one from Pampers. Pampers is destroyed. It's done testing. It tapped out. So Aldi's is hanging in there. This is the Aldi's. And here comes the Target brand. This is the one I have the most confidence in. No, maybe I put my confidence on the wrong horse. So this is the Target brand.
Yep, let's see. Ready? Oh, there it goes.
Tripped me. It's got me. So,
data and conclusion. We are done with our experiment.
Yes, we are done.
What one? It was the winner.
Aldi's won.
Aldi's is the winner.
And I didn't pick Aldi's.
No, I didn't either.
And here's the thing. Now, this here is completely soaked. But it held more than Pampers. This held 300 mil.
300.
Well, 250, and at the next 50, it started leaking.
Yes.
And it's completely, the outside is ruined. It's wet and everything. So if you're a baby, you don't want to wear this one either. But the dark horse, the one I put zero confidence in, is the Aldi's brand. Listen, it's dry here. So even if the baby has on a sleeper, it's not wet. It's still dry. Like, dry. Those are soaked. Like, I could probably mop the floor with those. This is completely dry. The outside is dry. The inside, super absorbent. It's still, honestly, I believe if we wanted to go more, we really could.
We probably could.
This, way to go, Aldi's.
Way to go, Aldi's. I think I'm going to have to go to the store.
And crafting your diapers for babies. Babies, demand Aldi's. That's all I'm saying. This is the winner. This is definitely the one from Aldi's out of net. And I didn't pick them. Listen.
No, we didn't.
My money was on Target. You picked the name brand.
I did. And
it didn't last. It lasted 2 rounds and was done. This one went the distance. And I'm telling you, yeah, it's weighted with water, but I think honestly it has room for more. So this one could probably, if this was an overnight, like you have an overnight sleeper and the baby sleeps all night, you can put this on the baby and have confidence that he'll wake up dry. He'll be wet, of course, but he'll be dry and his clothes and bedding will be dry.
Thank you, Mr. N, for giving us a diaper to use. We appreciate it. So we know that your baby is safe at night. Mm-hmm. So thank you for that diaper you let us have.
Yes. Thank you.
So I hope you liked our video today. There will be more where that came from. Please check us out and hit that like button.
Like, comment, subscribe. Listen.
Hit that bell.
Hit it. You hit the bell, you get notified every time Mrs. J put up an experiment or a video. And you can like it, comment, subscribe. Tell her what you like. Tell her what you thought. Leave your thoughts of which one you thought in the beginning was going to be the winner. Let her know. She likes science. I like science. But she's the scientific guru. And
maybe we'll do more stuff over Mr. Madison's head next time. So let's get those views going.
And listen, I tell you what. If every class and Mrs. J's comments like the next experiment where some liquid or whatever, I'll definitely do it over my head. All right, we're holding that to them. Every class has to like it. Every student has to comment and subscribe.